Hello my bright crocheters, I'm Kate of Charm and Strange Crochet. Today we're going to be looking at how to change from one color of yarn to another at the end of a row while working flat using half double crochet stitches.
So as you approach the end of your row, you will continue to work your stitches like normal. And on your last stitch, you're going to start it like normal. So yarn over and pull up your loop. Then you drop your active color, pick up the new color, leaving about a 6 to 8 inch tail so you have enough to weave it in later. Pick it up on your hook and pull it through. Now you have completed your last stitch of the row with the original color, and your active loop now has the new color on it. You want to pull those ends nice and tight, not too tight or you'll lose your stitch, but pull them tight enough so they don't fall. Chain one, since we're doing half double crochet, and turn your work. Now you want to crochet over the two loose ends to help make sure that they don't pull free or anything. And we're doing third loop crochet, so that goes through, and then you just half double crochet like normal. It's up to you. For this project, I prefer to tuck my ends out of my way, and I just wove them in at the end. But if you prefer, you can continue to work over your two ends so that they're tucked in there nice and secure. But otherwise, there you go. You are ready to crochet your next row with your second color.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you to learn a new technique, please drop a like and let me know in the comments what's on your hook. Happy crocheting!